So guys, I'm back on Omegle. My first one after a year without going on Omegle went pretty well, so I'm very happy about that. And yeah, I'm doing it again. And I promise you, I will do as much of it as I possibly can until the day when my dad notices that this site isn't blocked anymore and he then blocks it. But that's not going to happen yet, so we're going to worry about. Oh, that's rude. You say that. See, this is why I can't have conversations on this website. Everyone's just so blinking rude. Sorry. Oh yeah, you didn't notice my cat's just there, just watching the windows. You know what? Give me a minute. I'm gonna close the window. You know, I mean, he is quite fat, as you might be able to see, but I'm gonna do it just in case. Hey! Oh! Here we have the lads, as you young people call it. Why are you topless? I find that very weird when you're topless. I'm very uncomfortable right now. Hello! Some nice... Hello. Oh, I thought you were a woman then. I think it's time we make a return of the swaggy hat. So I'm just gonna. Oh, it feels good wearing this again. I haven't even put it on right. Where around is it? There we go. Black. Oh, here we have the lads. Oh. I can do that. Debit card. I can do this. Right. You know, see, no strings, no strings. That didn't happen. Here he is. Birdie! Sound to the world. Nah. Doesn't want to be shown off like that. You're really fat, but I still love you, even though you're the fattest cat I've ever seen. Okay, mate. Oh, sick keyboard, mate. I don't suppose you'll yep. Right, we're back. Sorry about that. A certain cat decided to ruin everything by jumping onto the keyboard. Isn't that right, you fat Hey, beautiful. I think. Oh. But. Are you mad? What? He's actually sitting on the... I don't know if you can see this, but he's sitting on the keyboard. I can't... you better not have stopped the recording. Oh, sorry, am I getting in your bum? Well, it's not my fault. You're getting right in the way. Yeah, you better jump off. You better not stop the recording. I haven't stopped it. Good. What is up with you today? You're so annoying. God, some cats these days. Oh, I see there's two girls and one cup. Ah. Why would you stop when I'm trying to dance? Oh. Hey. Are you my dad? Oh, okay, bye. Don't watch me whip. Don't watch me nay. Don't watch me whip. Watch me nay. I can't even find. Come on.
Hello, stranger.
Ah! I bet I scared him. I bet he just made a huge mess in his pants. Oh well, you just gave me nightmares. Hey, get off your phone and talk to me. Mind your manners. Bet you're like 12, mate.